Cleaning your home doesn't have to be difficult. Here are 8 useful cleaning gadgets that can make everyday cleaning faster and easier. All product links are in the description, so let's get started. Starting with number 1, this is the Air U Plus 3-in-1 Floor Scrub Brush with a long handle. It's designed to make tough cleaning jobs easier without having to get down on your hands and knees. The wide brush head combines stiff bristles for scrubbing with a scraping edge for removing stubborn dirt and buildup. The long handle gives you extra reach, making it useful for bathrooms, showers, floors, patios, and other hard surfaces. The brush head can also be adjusted, helping you reach different areas more comfortably. If you're looking for a simple cleaning tool that can handle scrubbing, scraping, and everyday deep cleaning, this 3-in-1 floor scrub brush is a practical option to start our list. Number 2 is the TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber, a cordless cleaning tool designed to make tough cleaning jobs much easier. Instead of scrubbing everything by hand, the rotating brush heads do the hard work for you. It comes with 8 replaceable brush heads, giving you different options for floors, tiles, bathrooms, showers, sinks, and other surfaces. The extendable handle helps you reach lower floors and higher areas without constantly bending or stretching. It also features an IPX7 waterproof design, so it's suitable for wet cleaning around the bathroom. There's also an LED display and a battery designed to provide up to around 90 minutes of use, depending on how you use it. If you want a more powerful and convenient way to tackle stubborn dirt and everyday bathroom cleaning, this electric spin scrubber is definitely worth checking out. Number 3 is the RotoScrub 7-pack drill brush set, a great option for tackling stubborn dirt and buildup. These attachments connect to a compatible drill, turning it into a powerful cleaning tool. The set includes different brush and pad attachments, so you can choose the right one for different cleaning jobs. It can be used on areas like bathrooms, tiles, sinks, tubs, countertops, ovens, and more. The rotating action helps make tough scrubbing faster and can save you a lot of manual effort. If you already have a compatible drill and want to turn it into a versatile cleaning tool, this 7-piece set is definitely worth considering. Next up is this all-purpose shower squeegee. It's designed to quickly remove water from shower glass, bathroom surfaces, mirrors, and windows. The wide blade helps cover more surface with each swipe, making daily cleaning much faster. It's made with a stainless steel design, so it looks clean and modern while being built for regular use. Another useful feature is the adhesive hooks, so you can hang it right in the shower and keep it within easy reach. It's simple, compact, and useful for anyone who wants to keep glass and smooth surfaces looking cleaner with less effort. A simple cleaning tool, but one you can use every day. Number 5 is this cordless window vacuum squeegee. It's designed to make cleaning windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces much easier. The 2000 Pascal electric suction helps collect dirty water as you clean, instead of leaving water everywhere. It also comes with a spray bottle and microfiber cleaning pad, so you can spray, wipe, and then vacuum away the water. The cordless design makes it easy to move around without dealing with a power cable. It's especially useful for windows, shower glass, mirrors, and other smooth surfaces. If you want cleaner glass with less dripping and fewer streaks, this is a very useful cleaning gadget for the home. Number 6 is the SUU66 Handheld Steam Cleaner. If you're dealing with grease, grime, and stubborn dirt around the home, this can be a very useful cleaning tool. It has a 500 milliliter water tank and produces high-temperature steam to help loosen dirt and buildup. What makes it more versatile is the 19 included accessories. Different attachments can be used for different cleaning jobs around the kitchen and bathroom. You can use it on areas like kitchen surfaces, bathroom fixtures, tiles, and other suitable hard surfaces. The handheld design also makes it easier to reach corners, edges, and smaller areas that can be difficult to clean with a regular cloth. And because it uses steam, it can be a useful option when you want to tackle tough dirt without relying only on traditional cleaning methods. For deep cleaning around the home, this is definitely a gadget worth checking out. Number 7 is this Crevice cleaning brush set. It's designed to reach those small gaps and hard-to-reach areas where regular cleaning brushes often can't reach. The slim, angled design makes it useful for cleaning tile gaps, corners, bathroom areas, kitchen spaces, window tracks, and other narrow crevices. The stiff bristles help loosen dirt and buildup, while the long handle gives you better control without putting your hands directly into the dirty area. This set comes with 3 brushes, so you can keep one in different areas of the home. It's simple, compact, and especially useful for those small spaces that are easy to overlook. Sometimes, a small cleaning tool can make a big difference. Number 8 is the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. This is a great option if you want to make everyday floor cleaning easier. The microfiber mop head is designed to pick up dirt, dust, and grime from your floors while being gentle enough for regular cleaning. One of the best features is the hands-free wringing system. You can control how wet the mop is without having to squeeze it with your hands. The mop is also useful for hard floors, including surfaces like hardwood and other suitable flooring. Another advantage is that the microfiber mop head is washable and reusable, so you can wash it and use it again instead of constantly replacing disposable pads. The bucket and spin system also make it easier to control the amount of water on the mop. If you want a simple floor cleaning system that saves effort, this is definitely one to check out. And that's our top 8 cleaning gadgets. Which one would you choose? Check the links in the description to learn more, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful home finds.